Check this out if you love smart solutions. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. This might just most satisfying is proving to be the best investment you can make. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple: it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It brings professional level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution without the heavy premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed with it today without any delay. Check this out if you love smart solutions. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. This might just most satisfying is proving to be the best